A day after 8 CRPF jawans were killed and 22 others injured after terrorists ambushed the bus they were travelling in Pampore in Jammu and Kashmir, questions are being raised about whether there were serious lapses on the part of the CRPF which led to such high casualty figures. The Defence Minister has said a probe will now determine whether standard operating procedure was followed or not.
Tributes to the fallen CRPF men killed during terror attack in Pampore, as Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti and her cabinet colleagues attended the wreath-laying ceremony and paid floral tributes to 8 jawans. The deadliest attack in recent times has unnerved the political and security establishment in Kashmir. Of the 22 soldiers injured in the attack, 5 are still in critical condition.
दिन ब दिन इससे जो है हम कश्मीर को बदनाम कर रहे हैं, अपने रियासत को बदनाम कर रहे हैं और साथ ही साथ अपना जो हमारा मजहब है जिसकी आड़ में हम ये करते हैं, मुझे लगता है उसको हम बहुत ही बड़ा धक्का पहुंचाते हैं.
As the bodies are being sent back to their families, serious questions are being raised about why was the bus carrying more than 40 CRPF personnel without an escort? And why did road opening party fail to detect attackers waiting in a car on the highway?
2 लोगों की मैंने होम सेक्रेटरी को कहा है कि एक कमेटी भेजी जाए ताकि हम ये देखें कि कहां पर कोई कमी रह गई है. यदि कहीं पर यदि कोई कमी हो तो भविष्य में उसको दुरुस्त किया जा सके ताकि हमारे सुरक्षा के जवानों को इस तरीके से शहीद न होना पड़े.
बहुत दुख हुआ, होनी नहीं चाहिए थी. थोड़ी सी मुझे लगता है SOP फॉलो नहीं की गई है, लेकिन वो इंक्वायरी के बाद समझ जाएंगे.
No counter insurgency situation, you can go back in time and say you could have done this, could have done that. Right. Every situation is, different and innovative. From their side, they bring about innovations. From our side, we try to neutralize. 99% we succeed, maybe 0.01% when they succeed.
Sources say police and IB had already informed all the security agencies about a possible terror attack in Pampore. Police say, unlike earlier incidents, it was because of this alertness that both Fedayeen attackers were neutralized within 10 minutes of the attack.
While it is not an easy task for security forces to deal with a Fedayeen attacker who is ready to die, it is the actionable intelligence and alertness among the forces that can prevent such attacks and minimize casualties. Pampore attack is a chilling reminder that any laxity can cost security forces dearly. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, for NDTV.